Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best-smelling laundry pods in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Tide Pods 3-in-1 He Turbo Laundry Detergent Pods. While there are many large pods on the market underwear, the best of the lot is definitely the Tide Pods 3-in-1 Turbo He Detergent Paks. It is not only the most trusted brand of sleeves or the most popular, but it is also the most effective. Tide Pods do well with those who are behind quick fix for a regular smaller items washing. Instead, wait until laundry day when mountains are intimidating clothes. Efficient laundry abound. This pod not only as detergent functions stain remover, but also as a color protection. What's more, it is an industry recognized brand. Offered with the promise of quality by the Tides, his clothes could not be in better hands. Number 2. Our second best pick is Arm & Hammer 2-in-1 Laundry Detergent Power Paks. There are different reasons for different pods of detergents and make packs this list. For washing and wetting packs, Arm & Hammer 2-in-1 is the financing capacity. The good thing about this mess is that it has many similar characteristics to the top of the range pods, but only at a fraction of the price. Another advantage is this envelope is your detergent. Ultra concentrated formulation ensures cleaning raw forces and ensures your clothes to get them deserve all the attention. While the Arm & Hammer 2-in-1 detergent powder packs cannot be as popular as some of the other entries on this list, you can ensure that is so effective. Number 3. Our third best pick is Almighty Paks Laundry Pods. The Almighty detergent packs are the best options for those who are the best soap with strong cleaning power, but have sensitive skin, and as such they have to be selective about the pods and detergents used. If that person, then no more than the Almighty Paks, they have reached worrying to the rescue. What is interesting about this product is that you do not have to give a whit to have current cleaning a detergent which also serves their skin. This is a garment that not only thinks about clothes too. You but the customer can be sure that this mess will clean your clothes, leaves no irritating residue, thanks to his lack of dyes, perfumes and the use of hypoallergenic materials, which in turn makes it insurance for all family members. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Gain Flings Liquid Laundry Pods. If you are after a Paks washing with a superior fragrance, it raises profit. Paks liquid detergents are the best choice. While this product has a lot to offer that is enough to attract the most people, it is the scent that stands out among its many positive aspects. On one hand, the scent is long, durable and non-volatile. It also promises 6 weeks fresh washing to wear. It will be very difficult to find a long-term promise as with each other pod. In an industry in which each brand and the company has offered something unique to differentiate itself from the pack, no doubt, is the reinforcing spear. Liquid detergent packs achieved what was proposed to do. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Grab Green Natural 3-in-1 Laundry Detergent Pods. If you are looking for a detergent or coat that goes beyond looking for your clothes, then look no further than the 3-in-1 detergent pods. Simply one of the best regarded in the market, this has a package of detergent with little or no competition from all offers. A major reason for these peppers is due to the fact that they stand out as a driven organic enzyme and are formulated with ingredients either vegetable or mineral essential oils. I would be thrilled to hear that these pod cleaning products are not only conducive to the environment, but also vegan-friendly as it is produced without the use of animal products. And if toxins, chlorine, feces and phosphates their main enemy is, you can be sure that they have no place in this formulation. With statistics like that, you know very little about some other pods compared to this. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.